Morning guys, April 13, 2022. So there I got a call from a lady I've worked for a couple of times. Quite a few times actually. She's the one that had that broken toilet that a sun fell on and thing was all busted apart. Well, she's calling me, she's got a dryer on the second floor and the thing's not drying, so she thinks that the vent is blocked with lint going out. So I'm gonna have to take it apart and see if I can find out if it's blocked with lint, if I can clean it out. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Supposedly it's on the second floor, so I've worked for this lady a bunch of times and I'm gonna go try to bail her out. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there, if I can. Hopefully I can get in there and clean the vent out. Slid it out. There it goes out right there. I'm going to disconnect it on the bottom. And disconnect this top. Pull it out. We got these screws in this thing. Let's see what's in there. I don't see anything there. It could be. Is it getting hot, or is it not?
No, it's not getting hot.
All right. So what might be happening is maybe an element inside is an issue. It's possible. Let me take this out and we'll see if it's blocked. If not, it might be inside the unit itself.
The only time I have an issue, like when I have a bunch of towels or anything that's really, really heavy. I probably put in more than I should, but that's the only time where I think that I see a difference. Where
Looks like I might have an earring there. Oh yeah, you got an earring.
Got a what?
An earring.
Oh,
a diamond.
A diamond? Oh yeah. Well, there's no diamonds in this house. Must be a. Yeah.
And then you got this little thing. This is good. All right, turn it on. Let's see if it blows out.
Oh, okay. Hold on a minute. Let me get this. Just put it on where I always put it.
Just turn it on. All right, shut it off. Just open the door.
Yeah.
I don't think it's blocked.
Okay.
Because I'm going to put this back, and then we're going to see if it blows out the top. Then we know for sure, because I got it disconnected. I need the screw.
I didn't have a screw. You gave me these two things.
Oh, okay. I don't think it's blocked. I disconnected it. I know it's not. Hang on a second. We're gonna do it one more time. I got that back together there. I got it disconnected here. All right, turn it on and we'll see if it blows out. Yeah, we're getting a good flow here.
Okay. Yeah, and the vents are opening. Okay.
Well, we're gonna look out there, but I'm pretty sure.
Leave it on?
Yeah, leave it on.
Okay. I'll give you that. Sorry.
How wet are the towels? How wet are the towels you're putting in there? They soaked?
No, not at all.
Maybe they're not. This is working fine.
Okay,
So it's only happening when you're getting wet towels.
Well,
maybe the towels aren't spinning enough to get the moisture out of them.
no, I think there's too much in there. And I only notice it, like I said, when there's a lot of towels or there's heavy, like the heavy.
Yeah, maybe you need to do half a load.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking
this is-
I can't fill it up the way I fill it up.
Yeah,
That's
this
what
is fine. So
it is. Yeah, okay.
at least you got a peace of mind about that, right?
Well, that's the whole thing. I mean, because it's a new unit and I haven't had any issues at all with it. Thank you very much.
The only other thing that might be an issue is it could be that there's an element in here that heats up.
Yeah,
You
well,
know?
if I find that the clothes aren't...
No, it's getting warm.
Okay.
See, it's getting warm, so that's not the issue.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I was hoping that it was, and it would probably just be that. I think it's the load. And I
What happens with some of these, if you don't clean the lint out,
Oh, I clean it all the time.
no, but if you don't,
Yes.
and you leave the lint in there and you run this thing,
Yeah.
there's a link in the black, a fusible link that will break that you have to replace.
Oh.
Gets too hot, it'll open up and then the thing won't work.
Yeah, it's like a safety thing.
It's a safety,
Yeah.
but it's a manual, you have to manually go in there and replace it. So that's why you have to make sure that you keep changing, remove
Yeah.
the catch lint.
Yeah, we do that. We do that on a regular basis. Oh,
I'm gonna put it
oh, you come equipped with all of that stuff.
I took
Okay.
that out and now I'm gonna give you a new one.
Okay. Oh, I thank you.
I'm gonna give you a brand new seal it up with a new one. How's
All
that
right,
sound?
appreciate it. Appreciate it. Something new will be in the house.
Yeah, you thought your little dog was gonna rip me apart there, little
Oh
sucker.
my. She wouldn't make much damage.
She was trying to bite
She's
me,
got
but-
little teeth.
She's blind.
She's blind. She didn't know what she was going to grab onto, but she probably...
Yeah, if she would have latched on to me, she would have been,
She probably only made a hole in your pants. I don't think she'd do much damage.
she didn't seem too friendly to me.
No, she's kind of a one dog person. I think that's...
My dog, I got a Chihuahua and she's fine with people.
No.
She loves people.
No, well she does, but I mean to say she's weary. She's...
It's kind of different, huh?
Yeah, it's one of those...
It's like silicone.
Yeah, I know. A friend gave me
Alright, so
that.
let me push this back.
Yeah, okay. So did you have one of those silver things down at the bottom either, or just at the top?
No, it's screwed in down the bottom, one screw, but there was no lint down there because we checked it.
All right, well that's good. I'm
Yeah.
glad of that.
We checked it, so yeah, you just have too much.
I think it's...
You know, these towels, they hold a lot of moisture, and if you're trying to do a whole big batch, I mean, that might be
That's what
what the
happens,
thing.
and
Yeah.
I've been trying to just limit...
All right, guys, we just left that job, and the ladies, you know, got a new washer and dryer, and she's just trying to wash and dry too much at one time, loading them things right up. So they don't have an agitator in the middle of them new ones now, so we put a lot of clothes in those things. So she thought it might have been, the dry vent might have been blocked, but that wasn't the case. Well, we determined that the dry vent wasn't blocked, the thing's working, it's heating up, it just, she's trying to work it too hard. She's gonna do smaller loads. Either that or wash it, dry it twice like she's been doing. So, I did check it, I did run it after I got it back together, the pipe was getting nice and toasty. So everything was working fine. Anyway, off to the next job.